canyon today. It's gonna be freezing. We're gonna go fix some fences. So this event was put on by the BOAR organization, right?
More.
Okay, Jack, you know more about this than I do. What are we gonna do today?
So it's a community of off-road people. Anybody is welcome. Doesn't have to be a Jeep. A Toyota isn't brand specific by any means. The only people that need to go is people who enjoy the off-roads, going off-roading, and the outdoors.
Woo!
I can see the stars align, dance around the moon every night, and now my eyes are open wide, and the sky has never looked so bright. Now I don't need to see the road to believe, yeah, 'cause this is where I'm meant to be, I believe. And I feel the magic everywhere. It's all around us, it's in the air. And I see the magic we can share. So much wonder everywhere. And I feel the magic, ooh. Can you imagine, ooh. And I feel the magic, ooh. Can you imagine, ooh. And I feel the magic.
Hey, whoever abandoned their trailer, you might want to come and get it.
There's wonder on this winding road in front of me, yeah.
There's a few rules to off-roading when you're traveling with this big of a group. And mainly it's don't take a turn without seeing the vehicle behind you, because then maybe somebody takes a left turn up at the front, but then the back people don't know that they took a left and they go right, and then the whole group is split up.
And I feel the magic, ooh. Can you imagine, ooh. And I feel the magic, ooh. Can you imagine, ooh. And I feel the magic. It's all around.
And there's one more thing. When people pass you, coming past you, you want to hold up the number of people that are behind you to let them know how many people they expect, and the last person holds up a fist to let them know they're the last person in that group.
So if I passed you right now, how many fingers would you hold up? 7. Lizzie. Hi. We did set up our GMRS radio station so we can all communicate with each other, which has been helpful when, like, at the start of the line they see like a biker coming down the mountain and we're like, oh yeah, there's a guy on a motorbike, watch out, then we don't hit him. There's a billion-ish pieces of glasses on the ground, but we did find a bird's nest. Whoever is building this little house right here, it's very cute. This is a message for all you girlies. Tampon applicators don't just biodegrade.
Don't lick the tree.
Take it with you.
There's tree cum.
Don't lick the tree cum.
That's what I said. You didn't listen.
It's like a dragon fruit, but pine coney. It's still crazy to me how the snow literally does this. It literally just wrecks these trees. Like, homeboy just got pushed down. After seeing the campsites and trails today, I feel like I just want to get on here and spread the word about cleaning your shit up, okay? There is no magical mommy in the forest to come and clean up all the crap that you leave, okay? Your campsite is going to be left the way you leave it, so do the cleaning up yourself. Camping is a pristine, natural setting. You are privileged if you get to camp, and with that privilege comes the obligation to leave the area in the same condition that it was found, and if not the same, better. Leaving behind toilet paper and tampons at a campsite can have detrimental consequences on the environment. These items are not biodegradable, okay? And if left unattended, it can take tons and tons of time to decompose. They can be carried away by the wind, the rain, potentially polluting nearby bodies of water, harming aquatic life, and disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Additionally, discarded toilet paper and tampons can attract scavengers and wildlife, leading to potential negative interactions between humans and animals. We don't want that, do we? So next time you have to pee and don't have biodegradable toilet paper to bury under the ground, or you're on that time of the month, just bring a damn Ziploc bag with you and take care of your own shit. Don't leave it there for other people to pick up, okay? Littered objects can harm animals by entangling or unintentionally ingesting them. As campers, it's our duty to minimize our impact on wildlife and their habitats by ensuring that our presence does not leave behind any harmful traces. We are visiting these animals' homes. We do not live there. We do not live in the woods. They do. So to finish up my rant, please refrain from leaving toilet paper, tampons, beer cans, water bottles, wrappers, and honestly anything that isn't supposed to be in nature in your campsite. By adopting responsible camping practices, we can demonstrate our commitment to preserving the environment, safeguarding the well-being of humans and wildlife, and fostering a shared appreciation for the natural world. And if you'd like to participate in one of BOAR's cleanup projects, I'll link their website down below so that you can come participate too. Participating in future events, and again, please just clean up your shit. Thanks!
Off-roading today in Eagle Mountain. I'm not exactly thrilled because I didn't get like any sleep last night, and also I've just been working a lot, but it should be fun. It was supposed to be like a snow trip, but now it's not because it literally hasn't been snowing in Utah. So now it's just gonna be like a little scenic drive, maybe some mud, maybe some dirt. We'll see. Let's go. Down is freaking Lizzie out, so we're sitting in the car while everyone airs down. There's gonna be like 60 people probably at this event, which is great. Lizzie just went potty. If your name is Jacob A, I found your ID card in the dirt. Jack updated his ceiling.
Antmore, Silver Stack and Training, Dobinson, Moab, Utah, Bowie. Not those. Wait.
Yeah, not those. He put those up there. Wait, you did the Bowie one?
Or no, not the Bowie ones.
I was like, you're not a Bowie fan. She?
Yeah, our cousin.
Oh. I was like, David Bowie is not a girl. Are you a service dog in training? Huh? Oh, obviously not. Santa has entered the chat!
Is this anybody's first time out with BOAR? Oh, sorry, there's no snow, too, so...
I like that he dressed up as Santa, but it's New Year's.
Before we get to the Moab, we're going to turn and go up the mountain. We're going to come out the right side.
Lizzie was not nice to the other dogs, so we're back in the car. But that's okay, because Jack's still getting debriefed. You gotta stop freaking out.
Radio check. Radio.
It's 11 clear, buddy.
Dusty. Dusty roads, take me home. That's how I'm feeling right now. Oh my God, look, it's snow. There's a little bit of snow! What? We should have puppy snow.
Like my $7,000 Jeep.
You're so dramatic. Just a man in his car.
Like maybe deer, maybe some moose, you know? Freaking bears are
Backing me up. Look at that blue bumper. Oh, of course it is. Classic.
Mothers.
We have officially split ways from the group because I have work, and Lizzie's going potty real fast, and Jack is airing up his vehicle. Overall, I think we're hoping for more snow next year because it would be actually way fun if we had more snow to get through, but we didn't. We literally, like, all of it was super easy. We only had like one little slip and slide experience. Other than that, it was pretty fun. And we're very appreciative to BOAR for putting on all these events.